Hello traders, and welcome back to another edition of Hotspots, where we talk about what's coming at us in the financial world as far as high impact releases go. We want to be aware of these so we don't get caught off guard while we are trading. In today's video, we will be discussing the dates of November 22nd through November 25th, Wednesday through Saturday, so let's get going. Wednesday, 3:35 a.m. Eastern, early on we'll have high impact news out of Australia. Then at 8:30 and 10 a.m. we have high impact news coming at us out of the US. At 11:30, an hour and a half later, we'll find ourselves with news coming at us out of Canada. And it's also worth noting that in Japan, a bank holiday will begin on Wednesday. As we work our way into Thursday, we have a lot of flash manufacturing PMI beginning at 3:15, 3:30, and 4:30, all out of Europe. And also, it's worth noting that Thursday is a bank holiday in the US for Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving if you're in the US or wherever you're celebrating it. And then on Friday, we have news out of the US at 9:45 a.m. Eastern Time, and nothing going on Saturday. Enjoy the weekend, happy holidays, and I'll see you all very soon.